Hi, my name's Kevin, and I'm the inventor of Motobag. My team and I put together this great new product that's going to change the way the world travels. So, here's the scenario. You just arrived at the airport, you need to make your flight. Do you want to walk or do you want to ride? And here we go. Today, we have the Motobag. It's 3 times faster than walking. It's TSA and FAA compliant, so you can actually fly with it. Goes right into your overhead, 22 by 14 by 9. You got 85% of the storage space that you'd have from a regular carry-on. It's able to charge your devices. You have an optional GPRS, GSM tracking mechanism, so you can keep track of your luggage wherever it is and never have to worry about losing it again. It really changes your experience at an airport. So what do you think for next trip? Motobag?
Yeah. Motobag, for sure.
Awesome. It all started a few years back after I went to this little family of breakdancers. As we're going through the airport, we're loaded up with backpacks and all the different gear, and the boys are taking turns as I'm pulling my carry-on, riding on top of it. All of a sudden I got the idea, you know what? Why not motorize these? What a better way to get around. Well, I was going to need some help, and the first person I thought of was my buddy Boyd.
We just got back from Daytona 200, we won, and Kevin came with this idea about the Motobag. And I looked at it and I thought, wow, this is a great idea. And I said we could motorize this. So immediately we went out and started getting some parts. One of the biggest hurdles was fitting all of this into a carry-on size bag. We wanted to retain at least 85% of the interior. We've got CNC machine steering column, telescoping aluminum bars, foot pegs that pop out. We've got a lot of stuff that isn't on anything that's currently on the market.
Hi, Kevin, Boyd, here we are at Woodfield Mall, Motobag Demo Days.
Hey there, we were just on Motobag. Woo! Rocking it!
It's so much fun. It's amazing.
I just had a great opportunity to test drive the Motobag. It is a great piece of technology. I'm really excited about it. Can you imagine that, riding around on a suitcase? This thing is awesome. It handles great. I can't even believe I'm saying it like that. It handles great.
Oh, they're cool. They're really cool. They're fast too, and you can charge on the go.
What do you think? I thought that was so cool.
It is practical because you should have seen me coming into Union Station this morning with my 2 toes, like lugging them across the street. I love it.
That's great.
This is fantastic. Everyone should have a Motobag. They're the best.
It gets me wherever I need to be immediately. I don't really have to be running and sweating in heels. You know? I love it.
We've gone through proof of concept and we've had over 1,000 people ride them. The response continues to be unanimously positive. No matter who you put on the bag, once the feet hit the pegs or they hit the throttle, it's just a smile. Not only is it super functional, it's an incredible amount of fun. So, after 2 years of really hard work, we're finally ready to streamline our manufacturing process and tool up our molds. After all, we're building something that has never been built before. That is why we need your support in our campaign to help bring Motobag to market. Together, we can change the way the world travels.